Welcome to the VEX Continuum, a complete STEM and computer science journey for preschool through college students. VEX's 5 platforms are the perfect organizers for STEM, integrating educational subjects to improve students' comprehension. We're confident that you'll find our continuum has no gaps in learning, a culture of educator collaboration, and a consistent learning environment designed to reach students and educators at any level. So let's get started.
First off, we have VEX 123 for students as young as 4 years old. Using this fun, multifunctional robot to explore basic logic and problem solving, children can expand their understanding of coding, all without the need for a computer. Next, we have VEX Go, an introduction to robot construction for children ages 7 and up. Here, students can learn from fundamentals of STEM through fun, hands-on activities, challenges, and experiments. They will deepen their understanding of core concepts by learning how to build, power, and code a robot.
From there, students can move up to VEX IQ for a more immersive exploration of robotics, engineering, and even competitions. They'll also be learning the soft skills required to be a part of a team, such as problem solving, time management, communication, and so much more.
Next, they can advance to VEX EXP. Here they're introduced to kits using the latest technology, sensors, and metal construction. EXP focuses on STEM curriculum while acting as a bridge between plastic and metal, softening the transition into new hardware. Next, they can move on to VEX V5. At this level, they're building their robots using real-world tools and fasteners, high-tech sensors, and exploring software techniques, even artificial intelligence. They now have a working knowledge of robot construction, coding, and real-world technology.
Additionally, we have utilized this platform to create the V5 Work Cell. As an approachable and affordable way to learn factory automation, students can receive career and technical education.
This progression of 1, 2, 3 through V5 allows students to explore STEM from pre-K all the way through college. However, that's only half of the VEX Continuum. We have 5 distinct foundations designed to carry not only students, but educators along this journey as well.
Foundation 1 is curriculum. First, we offer STEM labs, easy-to-follow learning resources with real-world applications. These activities give students a chance to design creative solutions through challenges, games, and competitions. Second is the VEX Classroom series, which follows these STEM labs and brings our experts right into your home or classroom. These are the educators who write our curriculum, guiding you through every step.
Foundation 2 is professional development. We offer a free online, self-paced certification course called the VEX Certified Educator Program. In this program, you will receive STEM lessons and feedback via formative assessment that is built right into the course. And, in the end, you walk away with an official certification, credits for continuing education, and ongoing support from the VEX Professionals Network.
Foundation 3 is VEX Code. Computer science is a core component of STEM, and VEX Code is our coding environment that meets students at their level. VEX Code can be used from 1, 2, 3 to V5 and is consistent across blocks and text interfaces. As students progress from elementary to high school, they'll never have to learn a different block, code, or interface. Computer science can also be taught with VEX Code VR, which uses virtual robots and playgrounds, opening up remote STEM learning opportunities.
Foundation 4 is competition. Our competitions foster the skills and capitalize on the motivational effects of competitions, as well as help students create an identity as a STEM learner. VEX competitions are also a great way to expose students to invaluable soft skills like communication, collaboration, and time management in a fun and authentic way. We offer competition at all levels, from classroom competition in elementary school all the way to the VEX Robotics World Championship, where they will go up against students from over 60 countries from around the globe.
Foundation 5 is a knowledge base. Acquiring knowledge is the basic goal of education, but we know that most teachers and mentors don't have a background in robotics or engineering. That's why we've compiled nearly 600 articles to help VEX users quickly find and explore information.
Our hope is that what you discover here is a complete solution of tools, curriculum, and professional development within the VEX Continuum, supporting you and your students every step of the way.